got a few bags, and yes, I have some more competition. It's a guy that he was after clothes and was inside the dumpster. But what he does is he tears everything up. But the good thing is he left, he gets everything out of the bag, so that's difficult for me. But he doesn't, want the things I want, so we're good there. This is like a little toy clean out here, not very interesting. Makeup plate, that looks kind of cool. Oh, there's a bunch of these Texas Hold'em poker set. This is how the bags are, when he's done with them, which is alright, whatever. But these two things I just put on top, but I had gotten them out of here. This was full of belts, and the belts are all at the bottom of the dumpster. And I guess he got what belts he wanted, but there's a couple trinkets that I like. So if nothing else, I got this. I believe this is Mount Rainier, because the back says Western Forestry Center, Portland, Oregon. And it's painted on wood, very nice. A belt buckle, Penn Rod Drilling Company. I like it, very nice. So let's see what else we got. Oh yes, there are a few trinkets in here. I haven't come across much dumpster magic from them in a while. I guess it's been a week or two. That's neat. Hummingbird. I believe it's glass. Could be plastic. No, that sounds like glass. Okay, this is good. This makes me happy. You an old cork stopper for your whiskey bottle or whatever. That's the thing to get pecans out. Hey, what's this? Ooh, oh wow. This is awesome. It says Gypsy Tour 1955. I'll have to look that up and clean it up a little if I can. That is some enameling. Very nice. That made my day. Well, is this like the top of a bowl? That's kind of pretty. Little brass angel. It says something on the bottom. Of course, I can't read it right now. I'll put it in the subtitles. Be careful. Oh well. Italy. Stainless. There's a glasses case. That'll be a good nursing home gift. I delivered a bag to the nursing home today. Is this another one? Oh, there's another one. So nice. Another one from the same place. Lots of belts. I'll get these belts to the lady that has that little shop, I think. It looks like that might be it. To the belt bag. Oh, there's one more. There's one more. Covered bridge. Oh, very nice. Very happy. I forgot to show y'all this the other day. I got this off of at the storage locker dumpster. They had thrown a table in there, handmade out of pine, but it had roach condition, had little roaches on it, so I did not take it, although I did get out of the dumpster if somebody else wanted it. But that was on the bottom, like the bottom brace of the table, and it looks like somebody welded it. I don't know, you can see where they kind of cut out, maybe on this side, some more of the figure. Anyway, I love it. A couple cowboys, couple horses, and they are roping the steer. And there's a beautiful lasso on that back horse, you know, getting the legs. It's just awesome. There's you know, nothing to tell me who made it